Here's what we got. Kinky curl, island curl, berry curl. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace, and we're going to be conversing today. I'm in a little bit of a hurry because I'm going to work, but I wanted to show you my hair, which actually came out okay. Who said that? So, a couple of weeks ago, I did the Xpressions island curl hair, and I really liked it to begin with, and then things just got too complicated, and it took too much work. But I had gotten some free packs, so I had some left over, but not enough to do a full head again. Well, I went to the beauty supply store and I realized why they were on sale, because they're trying to get rid of them. They were also trying to get rid of the Xpressions kinky curl hair, as well as the Xpressions berry curl hair. They're all 14 inches, and I was looking for island curl. They didn't have anymore. So I said, why not just get a kinky curl? So I got the kinky curl because it kind of looked like island curl in the bag. Then I got to the desk and she was like, well, now it's buy one, get one free. Well, I went back and I said, well, since I'm already mixing hair, let's get a berry curl too. So in my hair right now, I have berry curl, island curl, kinky curl. And when I took them out of the pack, I realized they were so different. Honestly, I was alarmed. Like, how am I going to make this work? What is it going to look like? And when I finished the install, I hated it. Like last night, I really hated it. But I told myself I'm going to sleep on it and I'm going to wake up in the morning and just see what things are looking like. And here they are. All three of them in my head. I'll show you what individual strands look like. Here is berry curl. She's thick. She's luscious. Here's what she looks like. And like all crochet hair, she has a little twist at the top to show you where to loop. But here's the island curl that I had before compared to the berry curl. Berry curl, island curl. So you see berry curl is thicker and more luscious than island curl. She actually hangs longer because the curl is looser. But that also means because this is more thick, there's less of these in the pack. There were only, I feel like, maybe 16 in the pack, whereas for island curl, I had like 30. So here's berry curl, island curl. Just a little bit of a looser curl on the berry, but then here is kinky curl. When I opened up kinky curl, it had like 40 pieces in there because it is so small. And I will show you a little bit better. Let me grab a makeup brush so I can hang them all on. So here we go. This baby on the end here is kinky. Middle is island. This one is berry. So very similar when you first take them out of the pack. But then when I installed them, I realized berry, the more juicy one, was like hanging longer. And that's the one that I put mostly underneath. It fluffs up more. And then kinky, like this little one right here that keeps on coming out, that's kinky. And it's smaller. I honestly got to tell you, I would never in my life get a few packs of only kinky curl because it would take so long to put these in. When you pull it apart, you see how small that is. Even when you fluff it up, man, you'd be in there for 3 hours doing that. But all in all, if you wanted to use any of this hair, you could probably do berry and island together or island and kinky together. I would not recommend doing kinky and berry together. This all sounds very confusing, but I'm going to show you pictures as well. So you can see better what they look like. But here's what it is in my head. It actually, it didn't come out terrible, right? I have done a pretty good job of mixing them. So it honestly just looks like regular hair. Because who has the same curl pattern all over their head? Like literally nobody. has the same curl pattern. Even if you have coils, you may have some looser coils, you may have some tighter coils. So I feel like it looks natural. It really did end up better than I thought it was gonna look. So obviously these are all technically supposed to be for twists or braids, but I'm wearing it loose and I'm just gonna see how long it lasts. Probably not gonna leave it in for more than a week because I just don't see it getting any better than what the Island Curl did. Like Island Curl was like, girl, I'm gonna give you the blues after like 4 days. So I might give this a week. If I'm lucky, I might get 2 weeks out of it, but that's that. Before I go, let me show you the packs. Kinky Curl, and it's obvious from the pictures that the hair is different, but I couldn't tell that in the store. And then Island Curl, and then Berry Curl. Here's what we got. Kinky Curl, Island Curl, Berry Curl. And I think they're all the same girl. I can't really tell. Anyway, if you tried any of this hair, let me know. It's on sale if you're in Houston at my beauty supply. So that's that. I just wanted to run this hair by you. I'm feeling real cute. I'm getting ready to go to work. So hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for tuning in. If you try this hair, leave it in the comments below. And until next time, have a great day.